வணக்கம் மக்களே, வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் ஜாவேஸ் இன் 2016. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, இந்தியா உமன்ஸ் vs இங்கிலாந்து உமன் ஒரு இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச்க்கான ஒரு ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில் ப்ரிவ்யூ பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ hey guys, welcome to our channel Javis in 2016. So in this video we are going to see about Indian women's vs England women international cricket match. It's our third ODI match happening today, and if you didn't join my Telegram channel, so before going to video, just join my Telegram channel. I will give the link in description box. And if you want to search my Telegram channel, you can search at Javis Official. ஸோ நீங்கள் அட்டு போட்டு ஜாவிஸ் அஃபிஷியல் டெலிகிராம் சர்ச் பண்ணிங்கன்னா என்னோடய சேனல் லிங்க் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் உடனே நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அண்ட் இப்போது உங்கள் ஸ்டேட்டில் ட்ரீம் லோன் பேன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? ஸோ நம்ம ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஆப் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லையுமே நீங்கள் எப்படி என்ன சொல்கிறது, உங்கள் பேங்க் மூலிமா நீங்கள் வெரிஃபை பண்ண முடியாது, பட் நீங்கள் பேடிஎம் மூலிமா விட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ உங்கள் பேங்க் டாக்குமெண்ட் அண்ட் பேன் கார்டு எதுவுமே கொடுக்க தேவையில்லை. So guys, if you want to play Sportzy, like if you in your state dream one is banned, you can try Sportzy as alternative application. It's a very good application, and you can see lot of contests which is affordable for low investors, and micro slam, ultimate face off, and Chota Bang also available, battle royal. So these kind of leagues will help you to earn more, and especially the very good and most like see 100 rupees investment, and overall winning 800, and the entry 8 spots, so 8 and 100 800. So full amount they are giving you. That this is called zero commission contest in Sportzy. So it's very useful now. So you can play in zero contest and you win more money. And like for a small investor, you can invest like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, and winning 1500 to 50. Nice now. So you can download Sportzy. I will give the link in description box. And let's go to the video. Before going, you just join my Telegram channel. I will upload my small league and grand league team in my Telegram channel only. So let's go to the video. So England versus Indian women. So it's international cricket after Indian versus New Zealand test. So India game, like today only I'm playing this women's match. Previously it happened to ODI, but I didn't notice that. So I thought today it will be like we can post a detailed preview for this match, and everyone requested to do this video. ஸோ நீங்கள் கேட்டதுனால தான் நான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ எனக்கு ஒர்க் இருந்தாலும் ஸோ சைடில் எனக்கு டைம் ஒதுக்கி நான் கொஞ்சம் பர்மிஷன் போட்டு நான் உங்களுக்காக இந்த வீடியோ ரெடி பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கிறேன். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம பிச் ரிப்போர்ட் பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ பிச் ரிப்போர்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் உமன்ஸ் மேட்ச். Number of T20 matches have been played on this pitch so far, but according to domestic matches, the pitch of county ground, new road, balance surface, and provide to help both batsman and bowler. So neutral irukkunnu pitch report போட்டிருக்காங்க. So let's see how the pitch is going to be help the batsmen and bowlers. Batsmen face some difficulty in the initial overs when bowlers get some extra swing and bounce, but the pitch gets more easy to bat as match progress. So later on the pitch getting easier for batsmen to bat along and put a nice swing and get a take. And initial stage there is a lot of swing and bounces. So England bowlers are good at swing and bounces, so that they can give a tough fight to Indian. Chasing team have good records at the venue. So if the team chooses to chase, they have higher potential to win the game. And weather report. So weather forecast predicts a cloudy day with overcast conditions. Initially we may see a few scattered clouds with the sun peeping through. The temperature will be around 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. So it might or may not be rain, but I don't think so rain will come. Let's see the venue stats of this ground. So the ground, county ground, New Road, Worcestershire, and date and time 3rd July. So you can see the venue stats. Total match played in the ground 45, and batting first 16 and batting second 128. So you can see the difference. So batting second almost they have one half of the like 1:2 ratio, and tie one. Average score in first innings is 170. Highest score Lancashire 229 versus 4, and lowest score Durham 105 or 3. And head-to-head stats between both the team. Total ODI matches 71 matches, and England 139 and India 130, and no result 2 games. And this is the last 5 matches of India versus England women's. So matches played 12, and Indian women have won 3, and England women have won 8. So tie 0, no result 1. So England women versus Indian women player stats and records. So first we will see Indian women's stats, batting stats. So you can clearly see Mithali Raj, Shefali Verma, Deepti Sharma. See Mithali Raj, 2 matches, 2 innings, 131 runs and high score 72. Shefali Verma, 2 matches, 59 runs. So like this I will give all stats and records for Indian and England. See the England Indian bowlers. Goswami has done well and Poonam Yadav, Rana and Pandey. So these players are pretty good in bowling, so you can take them for your Grand League and SL team. And England women's batting stat. So batsman stats, according to stats, the Beaumont have scored 97 and Skeever 93. Very good all-rounder. Dunkley 73. And most wickets, Skately Cross and Ecclestone, Shubsole and Brunt. And probable 11. So India's and England's probable 11. So this is the initial playing 11 I expect to start today, and India's probable 11. And see the team news for England women and Indian women. So England women team news: Heather Knight will lead the side, and Amy Jones is likely to do the wicket keeping. And Sarah Glenn and Freya Davis were released from the 17-member squad, so won't be available for selection. So Glenn and Freya Davis, it's not available. Make note of it. And Mithali Raj will lead the side. Tanya Abbat is likely to do the wicket keeping gloves. So let's see the top picks for Indian women's and England women. So Hill, Beaumont, Heather Knight, Ecclestone, Cross. And Smriti Mandhana, Shefali Verma, Mithali Raj, Goswami, Poonam Yadav. So these players must be picked in your SL and GL team. And average first inning score, 235. Record of chasing 60%. Almost, see, second batting team have won most of the game. So make your team according to second batting players. And top picks for dream and prediction and fantasy cricket tips. So Sophie Ecclestone, Tammy Bowman, Natalie Skeever, Mithali Raj. So these are the important players. Sophie Ecclestone is the number 1 bowler in this format. She is also the highest wicket taker for England. So you can take Ecclestone as a bowling captain or vice captain option, and Tammy Bowman is opening batsman and also very good player. And she's been hitting very hard and dealing with boundaries. And Natalie Skeever, you know, very good all-rounder and as good in batting and good in bowling. So she can be your captain for Dream 11. It will be the universal captain Natalie Skeever. And Mithali Raj, so she is like anchor of the team, and she can bat very well. And also if she take a stand and set the opening and set initial opening runs, so it will be good for Indian. So just read all the stats and given here. I will just make some pause over here. And investment chart. So join as much small you can. So if you invest 17 rupees into 100, so 1700 investment. So overall winning will be 4400. And at least if you won in 40 contests, you will get the your investment back. And stay safe and wear mask if you're going out, and wash your hands with sanitizer. Avoid avoid a meeting with anyone, and maintain social distance. Let's see the Dream 11 team. So this is my initial SL team for for SL, and you can keep same this 11 team as a Grand League team and rotating players as captain is captain. So captain, vice captain. So captain, vice captain. 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 So these players can be your captain, vice captain option. You just make your GL team according to the stats. I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Every likes if I getting it motivates me to make more videos. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you didn't join my Telegram channel, you can join my Telegram channel. The link will be in description box and also in first comment. And I hope you all enjoy this video. So thank you guys. This is Jarvis winding off.